6 months ago, I was completely unrecognisable. I didn't have the energy to carry on. My manager made me aware of Access to Work mental health support service. And now I feel like I am me again. And I hadn't felt like that for a very long time. I'm an NHS Clinical Coder. There was quite a lot of things going on outside of work, and that then had a knock-on effect. I would say I was completely in denial about everything, and it was my manager that made me think I need to take a step back here and just take some time out for myself. I filled out the referral form, and I honestly think it was a week that I got a phone call, and that's how I met my coach. We worked through loads of different exercises, mainly focused on self-confidence and resilience. Initially we were speaking weekly, and now we've been working together for 6 months. I definitely am now in a position where I can recognise when I'm struggling, and it's also taught me that it's absolutely okay to not be okay. I have started to really enjoy my life again, and I couldn't have done that without their support. I wish I could shout it from the rooftops, just how much this service has impacted my life.